Hi everyone, so now let's have the set B for Math 8. Okay, so again, this is not the exact questions that will come up on your summative. These are just possible questions na lumabas po sa test. Okay, so again, this is for a review lang po. So again, our source here is from depedclub.com. So yeah, let's start with number 1. A class records annual income, age, weight, and favorite color, which data item is qualitative. Okay, so qualitative, so we cannot describe it using numbers. So we'll have letter A, favorite color. Number 2, a learner has error counts of 2, 5, 6, and 3 in 4 short drills. What is the mean number of errors? So again, when you say mean, that is average. Okay, so you just need to get the average of the 4 numbers. You have to add 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 and then divide it with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll have here 7, 13, 16 over 4. So that is letter B, 4. The scores 11, 4, 8, 6, and 2 are arranged to find the middle score. What is the median? So median is the middle score. You have to arrange it from least to greatest or greatest to least. So the middle number, that will be your median. 1, 2, okay, 8. Letter C. Okay, next. In the data set 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 10, which value is the mode? So mode is the most repeated frequency. Okay, so for this one, we got letter C. Most repeated number. Number 5, which statement best describes the mean of an ungrouped data set? Okay, number 5, that will be letter C. It is the sum of the values divided by the number of values. So again, mean is just the average. So you just need to get the sum and then divide it with the number given. Number 6, the data set 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5 has which kind of mode? Okay, so number 6, that is bimodal. So since we have 2 modes, okay, we got 3 and 4, bimodal. 7, translate the phrase the quotient of z and 7 into an algebraic expression. So when you say quotient, that is divide. So this will be z over 7. Okay, kasi nauna dito yung z, so that will be your numerator, 7 will be your denominator po. 8. In the expression 5x plus 12, which symbol is the variable? So when you say variable, that is letters po to represent yung ating value. So we'll have here letter B, x. Okay, x lang po, hindi kasama yung 5 because 5 will be your coefficient. Which expression is a monomial? So when you say monomial, you only have one term. So that will be negative 8a squared b. So pag may plus, hindi po yun monomial. Simplify negative 6p plus 9p. So you will have negative 6 plus 9. That will be 3. And then just copy the variable 3p. 11. Simplify 4x plus 1 minus x minus 7. So you get 4x minus x. That will be 3x. And then you get 1 minus negative 7. That will be positive 8. So 3x plus 8. So that is letter C. Okay, so we get negative 2a plus 5b plus 6a minus 3b. Negative 2a plus 6a, that will be 4a. 5b minus 3b, that will be 2b. Okay, so our answer for number 12 is letter B, both positive. 13, when multiplying powers with the same base, what is done to the exponents? Okay, so when we're multiplying power rule, so we'll have to add the exponents po. Okay. 14, find the product negative 4x squared y, negative 3xy cubed. Okay, so let's write that again. We got negative 4x squared y multiplied with negative 3xy cubed. So, multiply nyo lang yung ating coefficient. Negative 4 times negative 3, we get positive 12. X squared times x. Again, this is 1. You just need to add po yung ating exponent. So, x cubed, then y. Yan, this will be 1, then y cubed. So, this will be y to the 4th. 12x cubed, y to the 4th. Okay, so that will be letter C. Positive, since both these coefficients are negative. Next, simplify 20 m to the 5th. over 5m squared. Okay, so 20 divided by 5. So that will be 4m. 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So kapag divide po, ima-minus yung ating exponent. So we'll have letter D. 16. A cubed over a raised to the 7 with positive exponent. So 3 minus 7, that will be negative 4. So para po yan ay maging positive, ilagay nyo lang sa denominator or its reciprocal. 1 over a to the 4th. Find the product. So we have 3a times 2a minus 4. So just multiply 3 times 2. We get 6a squared. 3 times negative 4, that will be negative 12a. Okay, 17, that is letter A. 18, simplify. 15x squared plus 10x over 5x. So this will be 15x squared plus 10x over 5x. So you can separate it. So just divide 15x squared by 5x and then 10x over 5x. So this will be 15 divided by 5, that will be 3x plus 10 divided by 5x, that will be 2. Nakakancel na po itong x. So 3x plus 2, which is letter B. Number 19. So we have to multiply. Okay, so this is my binomial by binomial. So again, you can use po yung ating FOIL method. So x plus 6, x minus 1. Just multiply x times x. You get x squared. X times negative 1, negative x. 6 times x, positive 6x. 6 times negative 1, that will be negative x. I mean negative 6, sorry. And then combine like terms. Negative x plus 6x, that will be positive 5. So x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay, so that is letter D. FOIL method. 20. X minus 3 and x minus 7. We'll do the same. So x minus 3, x minus 7. X times x, we get x squared. X times negative 7, negative 7x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 7, positive 21. Then simplify x squared, negative 7 minus 3x, negative 10x, plus 21. Okay, so our answer for 20, it's letter A. Okay, next, divide. Okay, so we have here trinomial by binomial. So you cannot just simply cancel out the numbers here. First thing that you have to do is to factor x squared plus 7x plus 10 over x plus 5. Okay, so again, you have to factor this out. So you have to think of a number, factors of 10. When you multiply it, the answer is 10. But when you add it po, ang answer po ay 7. For example, 5 times 2. So pag pinag-plus nyo yung 5 times 2, that is equal to 7. Kapag naman 10 times 1, this will be 10 plus 1. It's equal to 11. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung 10 and 1. You have to use yung 5 plus 2. Okay, so that will be x plus 5 and x plus 2 over x plus 5. So, common factor natin will be x plus 5. Maka-cancel. Yung remaining, that will be your answer po. Expect that, kapag dun sa pagpa-factor, madalas is common factor nila yung nasa denominator. 22. If each kilo of meat costs y pesos and a burger gets x kilos, which expression shows the total cost? Okay, so for 22, we'll have, okay, each kilo, I remember that the word each stands for multiply. So y pesos times the number of kilos, that will be letter B, x times y. 23 for the score, 70, 80, 80, 90, and 100. Which statement is true? Okay, so for 23, the mean is 84 while the median and mode are both 80. So our median, yeah, it's 80. Our mode, that is also 80. But let's check if the mean is correct. Okay, so again, for getting the mean, that is adding all the numbers, then dividing it with the number of given. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got 70 plus 80 plus 80 plus 90 plus 100 over 5. Okay, that will be 84. That's correct, letter A. Then 24, simplify. Okay, so we have here trinomial. Okay, so again, you just need to combine like terms. So 2m squared plus 3m minus 5. Okay, you can solve it horizontally. Negative m squared. So, dun nyo ilagay sa common term niya. Then, plus 4m plus 1. So, we got 2m squared minus m squared. That will be m squared, 3m plus 4m, 7m. The negative 5 plus 1, that will be negative 4. M squared plus 7m minus 4. That is letter C. Okay, which term is similar to negative 9xy squared? So when you say similar, it should have the exact variable with the same exponent. So xy squared, letter D. So dapat pareho po ng letter at pareho ng exponent. There. So again, this is just a review po. So good luck on your test. I hope you learned something. Thank you for listening. Bye po.